At the International College of Financial Planning, success isn't just a goal, it's our commitment.
Hello everyone, I am Professor Madhu Sinha, Dean at International College of Financial Planning, and I am extremely happy to announce that 14 out of our 16 students who appeared for CFP final exam passed in June 2024. This remarkable success is a testament to the dedication, hard work and perseverance of our students.
Hi, I am Sachin Kumar. I just cleared my CFP examination. I want to give a special thanks to the ICOFP Institute, the faculty member, the supporting staff, the study material they bring. Everything is so completely organized by the institute.
Hello everyone, this is Usha. The administrative team was extremely helpful in relation to the registration process or queries with LMS, etc. Any links for all the previous courses was immediately provided. So and then the classes, all the faculty members were extremely knowledgeable.
Hello everyone, I am Manish and I am from Delhi and I have cleared all the 4 levels of Certified Financial Planner. And today I will like to share my experience at ICFP. I believe ICFP's systematic approach of teaching was really a game changer for me. And from the very beginning, they taught us and cemented the concepts like time value of money.
We are immensely proud of our students' achievement. Their success is a reflection of our commitment to quality education and comprehensive training.
We congratulate all of you on this significant milestone and look forward to seeing you growing in the financial services career.
At ICOFP, we believe in nurturing talent and shaping futures. Join us and be a part of our legacy of success. Visit us at www.icofp.org or call us to learn more about our programs and how you can achieve your dreams with us.